All right, I'm going to show you how to save a bunch of money when you go to a shop, a regular shop or a dealership. Go to the parts store and get yourself a CRC battery cleaner, or you can find any kind of stuff that says battery cleaner. Take this stuff, take it right on top of your battery, just like this. Spray it all over the place, just like so. Spray it all over the top of the battery, the terminals. Get anywhere you see nice and fuzzy corrosion, and right in that area right there, spray it all. Let it sit for about 30 to 45 seconds. Get yourself a brush like this. You can find them at Harbor Freight for about 50 cents to $1 a piece, or you can get a whole kit for $3 or $4. Take your brush, go ahead and start scrubbing the top of your battery. Sometimes you can use a 10 mil to pull your clamp off the top and clean up underneath it, but this one didn't get so bad where it's underneath it. You see right here, I'm kind of brushing along it. It's all starting to separate here. It's all starting to come out. It's dissolving all that corrosion buildup. Go ahead and squirt. Go ahead and just brush everywhere you possibly can. Make sure you're wearing a pair of gloves on this. You don't want to get this stuff on your hand because it can kind of tingle a little bit. Is it really going to cause serious damages? Probably not. But that's here nor there. Wear some gloves. Be very careful. Have yourself a bucket of water when you're done with all this so you can wash off the top of this battery. Have yourself a rag that's disposable. You don't want to try to save anything that's got battery acid and stuff in it, things of this nature. Now what you'll do, grab yourself a rag, just any old kind of shop rag or something like that, and wipe off as much as you can on the top of that battery. Just go around and wipe everything, every little piece. And so you end up with a cleaner battery than what you started with here. And now what you'll do is you'll take some fresh water and pour of it. Now what I do is I find guys will take this stuff and they'll spray it on and then they'll wipe it off and then they'll use shop air and they'll just blow it that way. Especially on like the Explorers and stuff, and then you'll see yellow goopy stuff all behind it because this stuff starts to turn to like a nasty acid goop. You don't want to do that. Wipe off as much as you can and then pour water over the top of the battery. Let it drain exactly where it is. It'll just drain. We've got some water, not a lot, just enough to kind of dilute this and wash it off. Now I'm going to go ahead and anywhere that I got that cleaner and stuff, wash it all out. Now, another clean rag or shop air. Seen what it looked like before and then what it looks like now. Now, what are some downfalls to not cleaning the battery? You could have something that's called like a parasitic draw. You could have something that has surface discharge of the battery, and if you get enough debris and acid across the top, the terminals will actually make a connection, and you'll actually discharge voltage from the battery, and you'll make the battery go bad. And just over time, it'll compromise the cells, the integrity of the health of the battery and stuff overall, and it's not really good for it. And if you have shop air, after you wipe everything off, just go ahead and do one final blow everything out of there. You're good. You just saved yourself about $30, $40 having a shop clean the battery, and you did it yourself. Spent $5 for the chemicals, $3 or $4 for the tools, and saved yourself a ton of money and peace of mind, and now you're more connected to the vehicle than you were before. Well, I guess that's if you want to be. These are my maintenance tech tips to save you money, keep money in your pocket, and empower you as a customer. Thank you guys. Be blessed. If you want to finish it up, you can go ahead and spray some protectant spray on here, or you can take some dielectric grease and smear all over your terminals to kind of protect you from the moisture. But that is how you save money cleaning your own battery.